Tilray and them weeds be moving right now, guys. Look at that Tilray and them weeds. Their weeds be moving. Mojo, Pro Trader Mike, founder of the MOJO Day Trading, gonna kick ass on the show today. Give you a swing trade update, give you a day trade update, give you every kind of update there is to update in the MOJO Day Trading room. Shoot over there, boys. Right. You guys trading like champs today. We got 806, 807 on that SQQ, and that market's up again today. Let's check it out. Dow's down 74, 35,1111111. S&P 4433. A lot of them even numbers. 3511, 4433, 14. That's just the comps out of control, like 15,000. What's the comp at? 19 million. Dow's at 300 million. And the S&P's at 443,000. Right? Isn't that crazy? Dude, Amazon, isn't that stock like a thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars? How the hell does this stuff happen, man? Who owns Amazon at $1? Nobody. Who owns Amazon at AMZN? $3,337. That's a... Don't you think it's overvalued? Could be. Could be. How can you find like an Amazon when it first started? Like, you knew Bezos was like printing out this sign for his office and putting it on the wall. It says Amazon, you know, that old picture of a Bezos. How? And that stock was like at $1. Now it's $3,000. How do you find the next Amazon? Two ways. Two. I know them both. The first one could be from the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. We got a couple good ones working today. Works is $2. It's $4.55 from August 1st. Now listen, that's a good pick. Let's check it out. I know 57,000 of my followers liked it. So here's water and here's works. On August 1st, Sunday night, computer software medical industry. Mojo pick at $2.21. Increased earnings 2 years, loss of $1.81 to 67 cents. It's a 300% increase right there. Volume increased 470% to 31 million shares from 5.4 million shares. Looking for the move to test $2.50 mini Heinz, that's the mini packet. Adding at 248, float 10 million, funds 3%. Kabam. That stock today, $4.50. That's a 100% winner, folks. Here it is, SWORX, 450 as we speaking, 459, 459 on 100 million shares. There's the Mojo pick. Did your guru, swing trade newsletter, Twitter master, Instagram, TikTok voodooer give you that stock, WORX, 100% ago?
No! N-O. No! No. Sorry. I'd like to take a brief moment to offer my apologies. Could I be more sorry?
Nope. Sorry, folks. They didn't. They didn't. but MOJO did. There's another one right here from that same newsletter, August 1st. It's a water company. What happens if they do something with the water? Don't you need a good water company? They distribute and market bottled alkaline water. Dude, everyone, when there's a scare, everyone runs to buy the water. Everyone buys the water. Pick at $1.96. Increased earnings for 2 years from a loss of 24 cents to 22. 4 quarters, 40%, 3%, 20%, 22% earnings coming out on August 13 with a 90 relative strength, 88.4 million in the float, 5% owned by mutual funds at $1.96 to go through Heinz. Par $2. WTER leader right now at 225, up 8%, new high on WTER. Zach, man, come on, dude. Zach Morris be in my newsletter. Where you coming out with them picks like the MOJ? Zachy attack. He don't mention none of my. Doesn't want to give him the MOJ right there. Come on now. Look, let's see Zach donate. No. Where's your picks, brother? Where's your picks? He's going to P&L for the day. Yeah, $1 million. Congratulations. But what is it on, bro? Is it on my SC Works? Did you get that one, Keith? Did you get that one, buddy? Huh? What about my WT? Oh, WORX, FTFT, BITF, blonder tongue. You think they're in the MOJO, with the MOJ? Some of my pickies right there, right? Yeah, where you not mentioning? He only existed with the wish. No, he ain't coming out with no picks. Your guru, he's lame. MOJO, he comes out with the picks. You want to see more of that newsletter from August 1st? Let's check it out. Right here. Big disclaimer, dude. It's all education. Do you know you got to be really flexible in the trading these markets? IFMK. Imagine the Delta variant takes over and then it splits to America. Well, Delta's like, you know, the airline. All right, so the Delta variant. How about the another name? There'll come another name variant, and then another name variant, and then another name variant. And everyone's starting to like order food again from their local things. iFresh operates retail supermarkets across the New York, Massachusetts, and Florida. Fresh food. Everyone needs fresh food, bros. Last time it made a spike, it went to $4.25. It's at $1.35. How about this one? Waiter Holdings, they provide online food ordering and delivery in the southern United States, bro. Look, last time it made a spike up on the other variant, it was $4. Cup and Handle, $1.71. MOJ, look at the last 4 quarters, 131% increase, 100% increase, 107% increase, and 133% increase with earnings coming out like now. Dude, what are you thinking they're going to do? Another 100% increase. How about Apron, dude? 440. They also are in the produce the fresh ingredients for making meals at home. Because imagine the Delta variant kicking in. Stock last time went to $12.35 on that. It's only $4.40 right now. Apron, what do you like those 3, right? MOJO knows. And then Cint. They develop a broad range of medical, including spinal fusion, and they're going to do a base breakout over into $2. Increased earnings estimates, small float, earnings coming out. Water. $1.96 on the water. Look at this one. 4 great quarters, $1.96. It's $2.25. How about the next one? SC Works at $2.21. Look at this one. Volume increased 470% in my pick to 31 million. You know how you join the team? You go to MOJODayTrading.com. You get that newsletter. Every Sunday night for 10 years, I've sent out this newsletter. And the picks have been just like this for 10 years. My first pick, AMD, at 2. At 2. Can't deny it, because you come right here to the swing trade portfolio and you go to the master sheet, which is on my website, updated right there to the current month of 2012, all the way down to 2021. You scroll down, there it is. AMD on February 28th newsletter, 2012 at 2. Facebook at 25. At 2. Facebook at 25. Those are the swings. Got some new picks that came out last night. Already made a big move today. You're like, dude, what about the newsletter? You're doing a great update, Mojo. How about the newsletter from last night? Okay, check out the one from last night. My analysis is, no, that's not. Yeah, this is it right here. This is the newsletter from last night. Check it out. I'd take cover if I were you, pal. Dude, the clam before the storm. I was walking down the beach, dude, and the clam said, yo, buddy, you better cover. Dude, that means the stock market's going to go. It's the clam before the storm. It's a signal. The clam. My top 3 picks last night. 3. It was 4. Mojo. There's 4 in there. SFET. Base breakout at $1.30. Look at this. Up 945% in volume. 21 million in the float. 4 amazing quarters. Looks like the other one, right? But it hasn't moved yet. 177% on 1.1 million. Then 1.4 million. Then 1.1 million. Then 1.4 million. Company's growing. Went from a loss of $31 a share to a loss of $1. That's a 30-time growth. Holy crap. BDR, blonder tongue. Gainers list this morning. Telecom, cable, satellite up 536% in volume. 7.1 million. That's right. Versus 1.1. Over Mini Heinz 150 as a base breakout. Adding it to 75 and 85 over 223. Here's another one, base breakout on ATHX. And SIFI over 4. Mojo's got some amazing picks. Look at SIFI, 100%, 600%, 100%, and 100%. Last 4 quarters to go over 4. SIFI. Check it out. SIFI right here. SIFI's 422. 419. 419 high on SIFI. Works 452. Water 222. iFresh 130. Cint up 1.3% to 150. LMFA. Old timer. That one's moving up. Got that one. And Apron 453. Look at the Apron. New high today 482. Here's the WTRH, 158, high 165. We got this one, high 423. I got Ethereum, ETHE at 16. It's 30. ETHE, the Grayscale Ethereum Trust. It's going to go to the moon, dudes. This stock is going to go to 100. This stock, Ethereum Grayscale Trust. You can mine it with graphics cards. Let's give you the outlook on this. Let's show you what's going on. All right, guys. So I went to a cool bar mitzvah this weekend, dude. Right? For a young kid, when you're bar mitzvah, you're 13 years old. Congratulations. It was an amazing affair. High class, all the way, first class. Spectacular presentation. Everything coordinated, magnificent. My legs like hurt today. I'm like all sore, like I ran like a marathon or something. Was I dancing or something? I don't even remember. Right? It was so good. Oh, I remember it all. It was so nice. So yeah, the food, dude, everything, just everything. So nice. Mojo had the suit on, dude. You know, everyone gives him the card with the little gift in it. You know, you give him the little moolah jula, yeah, couple of $100, yeah. You know, they all like that, right? But dude, Mojo, no. This is what Mojo did. Mojo hooked him up with some of this Ethereum. I said, on invitation acceptance, thank you so much. But look, here's what you got to do, bro. Go to Coinbase. Open up this link. Man. Dude, some people are good with computers and phones. Some people aren't. I had to take my time, walk my buddy through. He got set up on Coinbase. I said, you know what? This Ethereum is $2,000 a coin. And I would just love to gift the Ethereum to the boy. Because, dude, if someone had gifted me Bitcoin when I was 13, oh my God. Could you imagine getting a birthday present with a Bitcoin or Ethereum? And you look back in 10 years, Ethereum is 315,000 a coin. You're like, holy crap, this guy gave it to me for my bar mitzvah at 2,000. I'm a millionaire, dude. Holy crap, thank you. And the guy's like, dude, I should have freaking put 50 grand into it, dude. Like you said, I would have paid off the bar mitzvah. I'm like, dang bag rabbit, you better believe you would have, bro. Absolutely. So, you know, I got the up there. I said, dude, it ain't too late. It's only the beginning. They don't even know what the blockchain is. The Ethereum, the EOS blockchain, how everything is built on Ethereum. Ethereum is everything needs a lock and key. Every door to everything in the world needs a lock and key. And that's what Ethereum is. You got the lock, I got the key. We're in business. Done. Dude, Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is like the internet. Remember the internet? Not the cell phone when it was like that big. The internet. When the AOL came out. AOL, you've got mail. Remember? You could have not bought the internet. You can't buy the internet, but you could buy Cisco systems. You can buy Applied Materials. You can buy AOL. You can buy stocks that make up the internet that could propel it high. Amazon, Apple, but you can't buy the internet. So if you would have bought the internet, all they had to do is have companies that came out on the internet like those, and people had to put money in them. You would have been the pioneer. That's what you want to be, the pioneer, the guy that gets in before. So you want to own the racetrack. So in the future, when the horses run, all you do is sit back. You don't have to bet on the horses. You just sit back and collect because the horses are running. That's Ethereum. You're buying the blockchain. You're buying the protocol of the future. And the big institutions cannot do it right now because it's too new and it's not regulated enough. There's not any procedural 9,000 word documents on how to execute, but they're preparing them. And when they go through all the checks and dots and crosses of all the paperwork, Ethereum's going to be 10 times higher than it is now, because it's the only time in history of the entire history that the retail investor has been able to get in before Wall Street and the institutions. There are a couple of companies that own Bitcoin and some of these coins, but none of the big instos yet. And that's the future. Because money nowadays, there's a lot of called money laundering. I've heard of that word. So that means you got to print more money and do more money, and that system's antiquated. So they figured, look, if we can get in with the new digital system, which is the future, we could fix all that. But it's going to take time, like anything else. And in the meantime, us small guys can buy Ethereum at 3,000 a coin. And if it dips, BFTD means buy the fucking dip. BFTD. FOMO. FOMO. Fear of missing out. You don't want to miss out. So I picked it in my crypto channel right here. Where's my crypto channel? Crypto. Ethereum and Bitcoin doing well. My target near term is 15,000 on Ethereum. And ETHE will be a $100 stock with it. There's my ETHE at 23. Target's at 30. There's 30 today. Here's my Ethereum at 2,500. Here's my Ethereum at 2,300. Here's my Ethereum at 1,900. That's what I do. That's what I do. So there you go, dudes. That's how it's done, man. How do you gotta become a member, dude. Like I just told this guy right here. Look, he's like, Mike, he just got, one of his buddies sent me your way. I want to get some information on your course. I said, dude, I got 3 courses, stocks, futures, and cryptos. He wants about the futures. I said, dude, I love the NQ futures. I could teach you a great business. First step is to join the chat room. Next step is to get the course at a discount. Start watching it ASAP. That means as soon as possible. And third is get the trading platform and start trading. Let's go. The time frame for all this, 24 hours. Let's rock. There's the link to join. You don't need any of your own capital. The goal is to get you a $100,000 trading account in 30 days. Cha-ching!
Wow, 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 wow.
I know! Look at this guy, just did great today. Today, $907, coaching Steven, Pro to X-Man through the challenge. Total profit, $18.50. Big win, $54. Big loss, $78, but it's okay because you had so many more winners than losers, and you were able to cut it. You went positive, then you're like, damn, dude, I went negative. Then I went positive again. Then you went like, damn, I went negative. Holy shit, I went negative. Up, coming back. Whew, thank God I'm green. Oh, a nice green. Oh, another good trade. Oh, let's wait for one more. Oh, another good one to $907. We're done for the day. See how I did that? Coaching right along. I know exactly how he traded for the day. How did Holloway do today? Holloway did $1,295 today. Pro Trader Holloway. Cha-ching! That's what we do. Oh, what hey we got here? Peppy. $450 for you today, Peppy? Peppy. Hoopa Peppy. Nice. Nice. We got the blonder tongue, the water, the apron up 8%. iFresh up 6%. Expressa up 19. Siffy up 16. Dynatronics up 3. All the other ones down a little bit, but they're changing. Look, they're blinking right now. This is a live document. When you're a member of the Mojo, you get, every time I do something on this sheet, you get a notification. What did he do? What did he do, boys? What did he do? Where did he go, boys? Where's the rabbit? Where's the rabbit? Oh, there he is.
Sorry.
Don't miss it. Because you missed Works. You missed Blonder. You missed Blue Apron. You missed Dynatronics. You missed so many. Look, my size hasn't moved. It's down 11. TLGT, New Jersey. What's that?
Awesome.
Well, people like New Jersey. Look at that Ethereum, 3,162. You see where it's going? What's the high? 4,000 and change? What's that? 3,000, 4,000. It'll be there by the end of the day. Let me do some math. You ready? Here's the math. Watch. Don't buy Ethereum today. It's 3,000. Ready? It goes up in an hour 50%. So all of a sudden, you blink and Ethereum is 4,500. And by the time you log in, it's up 30% more. So you log in, and it's 6,000 a coin. You know that? So it's 6,000 a coin. The next day, it's up 100%. It's at 12,000 a coin. And it spikes to 13,000, settles at 12. The next day, it's at 19,000. And it settles there, like Bitcoin did. Remember when Bitcoin went to 19? Remember? Bitcoin's doing nothing at this time. Bitcoin's already come back. It's at 45 to 50,000, stabilizing in the range, blowing the air for the Ethereum balloon to rise. So Ethereum in 3 days is 19,000. Today it's 3. You know that? Yeah. Isn't that amazing? Amazing. Can't wait for the kids to go back to school. What are they going to learn this time? What are they going to learn? Well, Ethereum by that time is 19,000. Then it goes up again. And it's 30,000. Holy crap, really? 30,000? That's a tenfold. That's correct. Oh, Ethereum new high, 3039. Ethereum grayscale. Mojo owns it at 16. If you were in my swing trade newsletter, you got this newsletter on this date, and it said, dude, you better be all over buying ETHE. You want to see? New pick right here. Wednesday, 7/21, your lucky day of this year. Look, $1,904. It's $16.49. I said Mojo was spot on Sunday leading into the week with a big down Monday. UVXY, our pick for the hedge, was up 30%, backed off Tuesday, taking profits when they present themselves. A 20% win in one day is a very good ROI and should be monetized properly for profits. The crypto markets have taken a hit lately and seem to firm up. One crypto pick I really like at these levels, the 24-hour price was $17.93 to $19.04. See if you could pick some up on the dip. The stock I really like is ETHE, Grayscale Ethereum Trust. Was picked in the last Mojo Swing newsletter under 20, and it was sold at 43 on May 10th of 2021. And right now, again, it's $16.49. And today it's $30.25. Not selling it. I would add to it. That's $3,000 a coin. At $5,000 a coin, that stock is 50. At $10,000 a coin, that stock is 100. At $30,000 a coin, that stock is $300 a share. Mojo. Come join the team, folks. Nothing better. That newsletter's come out every Sunday for 10 years, and it's going to come out for the next 10 years. So those be the picks. Those be the picks. What are we at? 804 by 805? Really? Ooh, we went all the way up and came down, Mojos. You didn't even tell me, dude. We went to 803. We really went to 15,145. Wow. Dudes, on the futures, we went up like that. Damn. 15,134, dudes. Wow. Guys didn't even say nothing in the room. Crazy. Dude, that thing went to 803 and you didn't even say nothing. Damn. Yeah, there's no Zoom, dude, because I'm doing the Mojo show. But thanks. Nah, there is no Zoom. We're done. Come watch me on that. Yeah, I missed that top sucker, dude. I ain't chasing it now. All right, guys, that's good. Let me shut this off. Cool, dudes. Thanks for watching the Mojo Show and listening to why I think you should hodl Ethereum, man. If it doesn't make sense, it doesn't make sense. It's just my opinion. Everything's for education purposes anyway. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I've just been doing it for 30 years, so it's kind of like sitting here for 30 years doing the same thing in front of the computer when there was the first computer ever made for trading. I was on it, small order execution system by Instinet. Dude, I'm back there in the day, dude, all for education purposes. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe and subscribe.